ready for fun under the tropical sun. It's time for CoCo TV, everyone!
Hey kids! Are you ready for the biggest beach adventure ever? Today, we're going to Hawaii! We'll pack our bags, fly across the ocean, walk on warm sandy beaches, build giant sand castles, find colorful seashells, watch dolphins jump, see sea turtles swim, dance under palm trees and enjoy a beautiful tropical sunset.
Everybody clap your hands!
Clap, 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 everybody stomp your feet. Stomp, 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 let's go to Hawaii.
Everybody clap your hands!
Pack your bags and zip them tight. We're going on a trip tonight. Grab your hat and sandals too. A beach adventure waits for you. Pack your sunglasses nice and bright. We'll need them in the sunlight. Bring your smile and bring your cheer. Vacation time is finally here.
Roll the suitcase down the floor, thinking of the fun in store. Palm trees waving by the sea, waiting there for you and me.
Pack your clothes and favorite toy. Get ready for tropical joy. Count to 3 and shout hooray! We're going to Hawaii today.
Pack your bags,
1, 2, 3!
come and travel with me. Pack your bags, wave hello to Hawaii. We will go. Hawaii, Hawaii, let's go to Hawaii. Sunshine bright, ocean blue, a tropical dream for me and you. Hawaii, Hawaii, come and sing with me. Clap your hands, dance all day. At the beach we'll laugh and play.
Off we go upon our way, traveling on this sunny day. Happy faces all around, excitement can be found. Rolling luggage, walking fast, wondering how long it will last. Adventure waits beyond the gate, and we can hardly sit and wait.
Traveling with family too makes every moment feel brand new. Laughing, talking, singing songs, everybody comes along.
Step by step and smile today.
Vacation's on the way,
Big adventures near and far. We're
shining like a star. Hawaii, Hawaii, let's go to Hawaii. Sunshine bright, ocean blue, a tropical dream for me and you. Flying high above the sea, what a beautiful sight to see. Clouds are floating all around, far above the ground.
ocean sparkling way below, watching little waves that flow.
Blue as far as we can see, stretching endlessly.
Look outside the airplane wing, hear the happy children sing.
Flying over ocean blue,
Such a lovely view.
wave hello to fluffy clouds.
Sing your travel song out loud.
Rachel fills the sky today. Hip, hip, hooray!
Fly so high, touch the sky!
Wave hello as clouds float by.
Fly so high, you and me!
Over the sparkling sea.
Look below and what do we see?
Eight of green islands in the sea. Green mountains standing tall. The prettiest islands of all.
Palm trees waving in the breeze.
Gentle scent and talk of cuisine.
Golden beaches shining bright.
What a wonderful sight.
Hawaii welcomes us today with sunshine lighting up the way. Color flowers all around, beauty can be found. Everyone is smiling wide, filled with happiness inside. Patient dreams are coming true for me and you.
Hawaii, yep, Hawaii, let's go to Hawaii. Sunshine bright, ocean blue, a tropical dream for me and you. Beach, beach, beach,
Come and play!
at Hawaii Beach today. Beach, beach, beach,
Laugh with me!
happy as can be.
Grab a bucket and a spade, let's build a castle in the shade. Make it tall and make it wide with sandy towers side by side. Half the sand and shape it well. Building castles is really swell. Add a doorway and a gate, our castle looks great.
Build a tower reaching high, almost touching the sky. Add some windows one by one.
Building castles is one. Scoop and pour and pat it down. Build the biggest castle in time. Sing castle magic by the sea for you and me.
Rock along the sandy shore, colorful shells and so much more. Pink and purple, white and blue.
Beautiful treasures waiting for you.
Tiny shells and giant shells, everyone a story tells. Sparkling softly in the
turtles swim along, moving gently all day long. Wave hello and watch it glide through the tide. Ocean creatures big and small, we are thankful for them all. Living happily in the sea as nature meant them to be. Watch and learn and smile today as they travel on their way. Ocean friends are fun to see, happy as can be. Splash and splash by the sea. Ocean friends for you and me. Swim, 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 play hello. Watch them gently go. Look, dolphins jumping way up high, leaping through the sunny sky. Splashing water everywhere, excitement fills the air. One dolphin, two dolphins, three, pairing happily at sea. Jumping, spinning, having fun underneath the sun. Wave hello as they go by, making everyone smile wide. Ocean acrobats are they, playing all day. Dolphin friends are full of cheer, bringing happiness near. Jump and splash and sing along to the dolphin song. Hop, hop, jump, dolphins play, splashing through the day. Leap, 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 1, 2, 3, handy by the sea. Sit beneath the umbrella shade, enjoy the picnic that we've made. Fresh fruit waiting just for you, healthy treats and tasty too. Pineapple sweet and watermelon bright, making everything feel right. Crunch and munch and smile today, at the beach we stay. Mango slices, juicy and sweet, vacation snacks are such a treat. Sharing food with family too, makes the day feel new. Eat and laugh and sing a song, everyone can come along. Picnic fun beneath the sun, for everyone. Flower lays around our neck, the prettiest thing we can collect. Pink and yellow, red and white, everything looks bright. Tropical flowers everywhere, filling colors through the air. Wear them proudly as we play on this beachy day. Flowers dancing in the breeze, beside the tropical seas. Nature's colors all around, beauty can be found. For a weather is like tutu, oh as sunshine lights, ocean blue. A tropical dream for me and you. Hawaii, come and sing with me. Have more headstones all day. At the beach we'll laugh and Thank you, friends, for coming too. We had lots of fun with you, building castles by the sea, happy as can be.